Did you know that 90% of businesses fail within the first year due to insufficient market research? Here at Brand24, we have developed a platform that empowers you with unparalleled market research capabilities to keep your business ahead of the curve. Here's how Brand24 helps you improve your market research efforts. Real-time insights, real-time advantage. With Brand24, you can set up projects to monitor your brand, products, and industry conversations across various online platforms in real time. Stay on top of the latest trends, customer opinions, and competitor activities, enabling you to make informed decisions promptly. Effortless data filtering and analysis. Filtering through massive amounts of data can be overwhelming, but not with Brand24. Our advanced filters allow you to prioritize and focus on the most relevant mentions and discussions. Save your preferred filters for future use and effortlessly extract the insights that matter most to your business. Stay ahead with sentiment analysis. Understanding. Consumer sentiment is key to thriving in the market. Brand24's sentiment analysis, powered by AI, helps you identify positive and negative sentiments associated with brands and products. Data-driven decisions and reporting market research is only valuable when it leads to actionable insights. With Brand24, you can analyze project results comprehensively, using our presence score as a crucial KPI for monitoring your online reputation and market performance. Generate personalized reports and track progress over time to showcase the impact of your efforts. Take charge of your market research efforts with Brand24.